All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this beautiful 2017 Infiniti QX70. It is the all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated seats, roof, a sunroof, alloy wheels, 51,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread over 730 seconds as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof. So you can see there are no things, dents or anything like that. Nice shot of your sunroof. Of course, it comes with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. It actually looks like real, like a hide leather. It is a powered seat with lump bar. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Of course, you got some buttons here for your all-wheel drive. I think. Actually, no. Excuse me. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. Heated seats. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. And the issues your mileage of 51,697. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. You get your power doors on, off, on. Okay, sweet. And then this is open and close something. I don't know what it means. Maybe it has vents. It's pretty cool. Of course, this is what your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders back there. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. We got a couple of little scratches. Here's one here, about an inch and a half. Some of the light scratches. Actually, these light scratches can definitely be sanded off. Wet sanded off. Of course, this is what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty darn big and spacious for such a small little SUV. Very, very nice. You got a spare tire here with some tools and such. And as you can see, the tools are there. So some people say then not. Does have an automatic door. Press that little button, that closes. This quarter looks pretty good. This rear bumper does have a heavy scratch here. It's been touched up about 2 inches and a little scuffing here, about an inch and a half. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks great. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It's really cool. These seats do like recline, which is pretty nice for somebody who sits in the back. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well, and it does have a nice shot of your sunroof there. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good in your tire thread, which is as well over 730 seconds. Lights are working, fog lights are on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is beautiful 2017 Infiniti QX70 all-wheel drive with 51,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.